Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Sonia Kashuk Eyelash Curler is probably one of the most talked about beauty tools for achieving those coveted dramatic lashes, and today we're diving deep to see if it lives up to the hype, examining its design, performance, and overall value to help you decide if this is the lash-lifting secret weapon your makeup bag has been missing. Number 5. Brilliant Beauty Eyelash Curler, Platinum. Experience the award-winning design that sets this curler apart. It's crafted for exceptional performance and beautiful results every time. Say goodbye to pinching and discomfort. This curler is designed to gently shape your lashes, providing a smooth and comfortable experience. Achieve dramatically curled eyelashes in just seconds. Get ready to enhance your look with beautifully lifted lashes effortlessly. Define your entire lash line with stunning curls. It ensures every lash is perfectly shaped for a captivating gaze. Your new favorite tool comes complete with a luxurious satin bag for protection and easy storage. It also includes refill pads for long-lasting use. Ready for gorgeous eyes? Elevate your beauty routine and achieve the stunning lashes you've always desired with this essential tool. What we like? This curler is award-winning and designed for a no-pinch experience. It delivers dramatically curled lashes in seconds. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance curler that won't cause discomfort, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This brand of lash curler does not pull out my lashes. It curls them for all-day hold. It's easy to use. It's pretty. It opens much wider than anything else I've used, and this means it grabs all of your lashes, right into the inner and outer corners. Plus it doesn't pinch your skin and feels gentle on the lashes but produces a really great curl. The processing of the eyelash curler made of stainless steel is first class. It feels robust and stable, which gives me the confidence that it will last a long time. The included silicone pads ensure gentle and even pressure on the lashes without creasing or damaging them. The result is a beautiful curl that lasts all day. Number 4. Tweezerman Rose Gold Eyelash Curler. Achieve beautifully curled lashes with our Rose Gold Eyelash Curler. Designed to fit all eye shapes, it delivers a flawless lift. Experience a gentle yet effective curl that enhances your natural beauty. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable and precise application. No matter your eye shape, this curler is designed to provide the perfect curl. Get ready to open up your eyes with ease. Your curler comes with replacement pads to ensure continued performance. Keep your tool in top condition for perfect lashes always. Add a touch of luxury to your beauty routine with its stunning rose gold finish. It's as beautiful as it is functional. Enjoy a long-lasting curl that stays put all day. It's the perfect tool to start your makeup look or refresh at any time. What we like? Featuring a beautiful rose gold finish, this curler is designed to suit all eye shapes. It comes with refill pads for long-term use. If you want a stylish tool that adapts to your unique eye contour and offers great value, consider this option. What people say. This is the first eyelash curler I've used that doesn't tug or pull out my lashes, which immediately made it stand out to me. It doesn't have a spring mechanism, so there's no risk of it snapping out of place, and it feels very sturdy and well-made. It's easy to use and comfortable in the hand. I have almond-shaped eyes and fairly stubborn lashes, and this curler fits my eye shape well while holding the curl all day. First and foremost, this eyelash curler is incredibly easy to use. The design is sleek and ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and manipulate. The curler fits perfectly on my lashes, and the gentle pressure it applies helps to create a beautiful, natural-looking curl that lasts all day. It's also worth mentioning that this curler doesn't pinch or pull on my lashes, which is a huge plus. It's so amazing. The first time I used it I thought, oh no, this isn't even curling my lashes, because I couldn't feel it tugging my eyes, and then I took it off and my eyelashes were curled so perfectly with no pain at all. The shape is so perfect for me because most curlers are just kinda straight, but this one is curved so it actually fits your eye, especially if you have round eyes. It comes with extra curling pads too. Number 3. Precision Lash Curler with Travel Bag. Achieve beautifully lifted lashes in seconds. This tool is designed for a gentle and safe experience, ensuring perfect curls every time. Experience a comfortable and safe way to enhance your lashes. Its thoughtful design prevents pinching and ensures a smooth curling process. Never worry about wear and tear. It comes with 5 replacement pads to ensure long-lasting performance and consistent results. Groom your brows with ease. A handy eyebrow brush is included to complete your look, keeping everything neat and tidy. Take your beauty routine on the go. The included travel bag makes it convenient to store and carry, perfect for touch-ups anywhere. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This lash curler is a wonderful present for anyone who loves perfectly shaped lashes. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like? Achieve a precise lash lift in seconds with this gentle and safe curler. It comes with replacement pads, an eyebrow brush, and a travel bag. If you desire a perfect curl with added convenience and grooming tools, this giftable option is ideal. What people say? It doesn't catch and pull on lashes on the side. Easy to use, and the best part is that it works. This eyelash curler works great. It lifts and curls lashes without pinching or pulling. It's made for durability and precision. It also has a firm ergonomic grip. Number 2. SEKI Edge SS602 Folding Eyelash Curler. Introducing the SEKI Edge SS602, a revolutionary folding eyelash curler designed for convenience and precision. Achieve perfectly curled lashes anytime, anywhere with this innovative tool. Its unique folding mechanism makes it incredibly portable and easy to store. Simply fold it up and slip it into your makeup bag for on-the-go touch-ups. Experience a flawless curl with its ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand. It gently lifts and separates lashes, creating a beautiful, wide-eyed look. Crafted with premium materials, this curler is built to last. Enjoy consistent performance and exceptional results with every use. Make the SEKI Edge SS602 your essential beauty companion. It's the perfect tool for achieving salon-quality lashes from the comfort of your home or while traveling. What we like? This curler boasts a unique folding design, making it incredibly compact and portable. It's also very easy to use for quick touch-ups. If you're always on the go and need a lash curler that fits easily into any bag or pocket, this is your perfect travel companion. What people say? This is still in my makeup bag in perfect condition. I bought mine in 2015, came back to buy my mom one in 2018, and it's now 2023. This thing is a hidden gem in the beauty world. This SEKI curler leaves them all in the dust. I have deep-set eyes, so many just don't fit. This one fits in the way the space is and the white color. I can see very well how my curl is going and gently pump it out for the perfect soft curl. The pad on this one is less prone to splitting than others I've tried, and they give you an extra. It's more compact and fits really easily in any makeup case. The same cannot be said for really any other. The way it folds up protects it, and it unfolds easily to fit in your hand without any awkwardness or diggy wire handles cutting into your knuckles. Number 1. Brilliant Beauty Eyelash Curler, Rose Gold. Experience the award-winning design that sets this curler apart. It's crafted for exceptional performance and beautiful results every time. Say goodbye to pinching and discomfort. This innovative tool is designed to gently curl your lashes without any pulling or snagging. Achieve a dramatic lash lift in mere seconds. Get beautifully curled lashes that open up your eyes for a stunning look. Your purchase includes a luxurious satin bag for protection and easy storage. Plus, it comes with refill pads to ensure long-lasting use. Add a touch of elegance to your beauty routine with its sophisticated rose gold finish. It's as beautiful as it is functional. What we like? This rose gold curler provides a beautiful lash lift effect without any pinching. It's designed for a comfortable and effective curling experience. If you desire a chic tool that delivers a noticeable lift and avoids discomfort, this is a great pick for achieving gorgeous lashes. What people say? This brand of lash curler does not pull out my lashes. It curls them for all day hold. It's easy to use. It's pretty. It opens much wider than anything else I've used, and this means it grabs all of your lashes, right into the inner and outer corners. Plus, it doesn't pinch your skin and feels gentle on the lashes but produces a really great curl. The processing of the eyelash curler made of stainless steel is first class. It feels robust and stable, which gives me the confidence that it will last a long time. The included silicone pads ensure gentle and even pressure on the lashes without creasing or damaging them. The result is a beautiful curl that lasts all day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.